Good afternoon, decor lovers, and welcome back to Glam Queen of Décor. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a glam tablescape using blue and white. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. But remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications. All right, family, we're going to get right into this tablescape. And again, family, we are back, and today's video is a blue tablescape. Now, this tablescape is part of a collaboration, but before we get into this collaboration, I'm going to let you see my pieces I'm using for this tablescape. We're going to set up this tablescape, and I'm going to give you all the information. And again, these are my items. These are my wine glasses I'm using to style this tablescape. These champagne glasses, my plates, and my salad plates as well. My sequins and my regular napkins, my silver chargers, and this is my centerpiece. This centerpiece is a DIY. And once again, this video is part of a collaboration. That collaboration is with Designer Style with Stacy, myself, Tammy of Glam Queen of Décor, Sandra from Levels of Style with Sandra, and Shangie from Simply Shangie's Living, and Candy from Tablescapes by Candy. Please make sure you go over and check out these ladies' tablescape. We're coming to you with the 12 Days of Christmas series. We're going to be dropping a tablescape every 3 days. You heard me right. Every 3 days for the next throughout the next 12 days. So please make sure you come back on Wednesday to catch that next tablescape. So I'm dropping the ladies' links in my description box as well. So I'm going to let you see me style this table. I'm going to come back near the end and give you some more information. And once again, this 12 Days of Christmas tablescapes. For this first tablescape, if you knew, we was using the color blue. Now our next tablescape will be airing on Wednesday, Wednesday, November the 3rd at 2 p.m. And again, that is a black and white tablescape. Then on Saturday, November the 6th, we have a traditional tablescape, which is using your traditional colors for Christmas or the fall, and that's at 2 p.m. as well. Then we're going to have our next tablescape, which is an over-the-top elegant tablescape. That is your choice of how you would like to create that tablescape, and that is going to be on Tuesday, November the 9th. And we're going to finish this series up with on November the 12th, which is our gold tablescape, and we're calling it the Gold Project. And again, that name says it all. You decorate your table however you want. The rest of all of these tablescapes will be airing at 2 p.m. So if you could please, if you would love to jump on board with us, make sure you come on board and participate. So we will see you on Wednesday for that black and white tablescape at 2 p.m. make sure you check out the ladies that's hosting this. Check their links in my description box. Make sure you check out their video. And 2, make sure you hit that playlist link to see what all you wonderful content creators did create that wanted to participate in this collaboration with us. Now my centerpiece is a DIY. I'm going to drop the link for that down in the description box, but that is a DIY. Now too, my chargers came from Dollar Tree. Here, my plate and my salad plate actually came from Dollar General, I think. I think that's where they come from. The napkins was a gift from, was actually a gift. The napkin ring came from Total Dazzled link is my description box. And you know my infamous silverware. Then my wine glasses and my champagne glass actually came from Dollar Tree. Now this is my blue tablescape. Please make sure you come back. We are dropping a tablescape video every 3 days, so you will see another tablescape come Wednesday here. Also too, make sure you go over and check out Designer Style with Stacy, Levels of Style with Sandra, Simply Shangie's Live, and Tablescapes by Candy. This is my blue tablescape, and if you know, you guys, y'all be blessed. Make sure if you haven't subscribed to the channel Glam Queen of Decor, you do so now. Make sure you check out my other channels, and that is the Glam Queen of DIY and Glam Queen Unbox. And I'll see you in another video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and stay positive.